Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Today's recipe is quick, easy, flavorful and potatoes. Nothing can just go wrong with them. In this video, I'll be sharing potato dill leaves fry. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a pan, I'm taking 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera, that's cumin. Saute a little. To that, I'm adding chopped green chilies, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic. Saute until they are aromatic. Now I'm adding peeled potatoes, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything and fry for a minute. On medium flame, close the lid and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. This looks great. Potatoes are perfectly done. To that, I'm adding finely chopped dill leaves. Mix everything well. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes because dill leaves cooks pretty fast. Looks absolutely fantastic. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice for that punch. And it's done. Great with chapati, fulkas or as side dish with rice. Do give it a try. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!